Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to add a fun little quirky board to your home, or maybe you need it for your business or for your kids? Well, if you are, I would definitely recommend this one from Destop. It is really well made of a beautiful felt fabric design. And this is the dark gray that I have here. The frame itself is a nice rustic wood finish, and it also comes with a holder so that you could stand this up on a countertop if you wanted to, or you could flip it over and use the hook that it came with to put it right onto the wall. They included little pliers to work with, which makes it really handy and convenient, as well as 2 bags to hold the almost 800 letters, numbers, and emojis that it comes with. So you have unlimited possibilities for what you're going to put on this board. You can change it up anytime. They're easy to put into the frame, and they stick well as into the felt fabric little dividers as well. So this is so fun, really great for any area of the home, but that's just my point of view.